The NextFactory system provides some kind of 3D printer for the world of electronic and microelectronic products. The exciting about NextFactory is that it combines different technologies to utilize additive manufacturing for micromechatronic and electronic systems. In that way, one can produce completely new applications like sensors, like electronic systems. And in opposition to the conventional way to use additive manufacturing, this opens up really new fields of applications.
We at Samplagt have developed novel solar cell and novel interconnection technology that allows us to make fully customized photovoltaic modules. What was missing up to now was also the final assembly steps to have a complete package for specific application.
Celasys is producing microphysiomatic systems. Those are systems which are working at the interface between living cells and electronics. To produce those systems, we need microsensors, we need electronics, but also fluidic systems and PCs and computers to process the data. What we want to have is one stop where we can do everything. Produce electronic systems, integrate microsensors, and what is very important for us, to integrate fluidic parts.
At Microsemi's Advanced Packaging Division in South Wales, we currently manufacture highly integrated devices for medical assembly, such as pacemakers and hearing aids. Currently, for our new innovative products, we require higher integration on a smaller footprint through 3D assembly.
The NextFactory hybrid process is implemented in a modular machine framework with 4 different process modules, each representing one of the key technologies of NextFactory. The inkjet module is able to apply UV curable resins to produce free-form shapes of the packages, as well as conductive silver inks. And in combination with the microdeposition technology, further functional materials like conducting glues can be applied directly in the product. For example, used to electronically connect the components that can be integrated with the following microassembly 3D inline process, which is able to directly integrate components like silicon dies, LEDs or resistors in the additive manufactured part. The curing module, which integrates UV light and near-infrared light sources, is able to process a wide range of materials, beginning from UV curable, non-conductive materials until the conductive pastes and silver inks, which is necessary for electronic functionality. The inspection module finally monitors all these process chains and all the process steps to give a profound statement on the quality of the product and to monitor and to control the overall process to give reliable quality to the customers.
Unitechnologies had to bring a very innovative concept with very high modularity and very high flexibility on all the machine aspects. Not only for the process models themselves, but also from the software point of view, from the numerical point of view, and from the hardware point of view. So we are able with this solution to integrate almost whatever process is needed for the NextFactory solution.
In the NextFactory project, different type of inkjet jettable materials were developed, especially insulating material that is used to build up 3D structures using inkjet printing, and the support material that is used or required when more complex structures are to be printed. Besides this, there were also some conductive materials evaluated in the project. These materials are required when conductive passes are requested for the 3D object that shall be printed.
NextFactory gives us this opportunity to have a complete package that allows us to fully integrate all components that PV energy harvesting unit has normally in one package.
With the NextFactory approach now, it is possible to offer to our customers an integrated solution for monitoring of living cells, having electronics, microsensors and microfluidics integrated in one miniaturized device.
One can say NextFactory is a completely new approach to produce micromechatronic and electronic systems, customer-driven in the desired shape and the desired functionality, based on this hybrid process chain within only a few hours.